Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to download OBS Studio. Is what I use to record silly videos like these. It's what I use like this. So I'm going to show you how to download OBS Studio if you have a laptop. So let's go to OBS. When you're downloading OBS, get the OBS 64-bit. Oops. Just open Software Broadcast. And if you have a Chromebook, Linux, or Mac, or Windows, just press Windows. It says thank you for downloading OBS. You see, it says it down there. Well, once it downloads, it should show you, would you like to put changes onto your computer?
What the fuck?
Oh no, and somebody walked into the room, caught me slipping.
Caught you slipping.
And this is how you use OBS. When you press on the sources for the plus sign, they'll show you, like, if you want to put audio capture. Oh shit.
What's wrong?
Like if you want to show your camera, like show your face, you put video capture. If you want to put text, you put text. If you want to put image slideshow, it would go to your files and go to your pictures, and you could put it on screen. If you go to game capture, that only captures your game. If you go to display capture, that only captures your full screen. And if you go to audio or input capture, that gives you your desktop device or your microphone. And your scenes are different because you could just put another one. See how it went black? Once you go black, you never go back. What? Yeah.
Let's go.
Bruh. That's how you use OBS. And if you download it and it tells you to put changes on your computer, you either put yes or no. Alright, goodbye. You need us.